Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Kelly, and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of this video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll go over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure, therefore increasing the value. You have content, backlinks, and citations. Now, understand every time you type something in to Google in the search bar, those are keywords that Google uses to look for a website that best fits the search for the words that you are typing. It's called search engine optimization. Google crawls millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keyword or words that are being typed and then categorizes that website based on its content. This is how you establish rank. You're looking for 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and a number of keywords. You also have backlinks. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's an endorsement of your website from another website, and Google uses that to build and trust your business. It creates popularity. You also have citations or referring domains. That is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number show up exactly as your Google Business profile. If you don't have a Google Business profile, I highly recommend that you build one. It directly connects your business to citations and help rank in the maps. Of course, you know that this is the map section. And citations with name, address, phone number, and your Google Business profile create this rank system to put you on the map. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, etc. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure on the first page. Everything underneath the maps is where the organic ranking of websites starts to happen. Of course, you have advertisements like Yelp, and then you have nationals like AAA. So now here's what you find when I looked for auto repair in Charleston. I didn't see you because you don't have a website. Um, what I have is a tool that I can use to show you other websites and how they're ranking and give you an idea of everything I just explained. So we have Auto Haas, if I say this rightly. I just chose them as an example. This is their website. And the tool that I use to check this, see how they're ranking and what they have, is called Ahrefs, and it gives you an idea of their backlinks, their referring domains, and the keywords that they're using in the content of their website. And it's very important because the keywords generate exposure when you're typing into the search bar to bring up the websites that are relevant to what you are asking for. So when you see backlinks, again, another website referring, or referring domains, your citations, your yellow pages, your blue book, and then you have your keywords. Now, the keywords are extremely important, and what that does is it generates a lot of traffic and it can create a lot of exposure. So, for example, keywords in your website, top keywords here could be auto repair, could be German repair shop, could be certified auto Audi mechanic, depending on what you do, Mercedes auto repair, oil changes, local Volkswagen mechanics. These keywords get traffic monthly, and this is the volume of people that are searching these words. So with that volume creates exposure, and with the exposure creates potential customers. And all of these are extremely obtainable for you. Let me show you referring domains, citations, um, constantcontact.com, superpages, easylocate.com, compass.com. It could be yellow pages. There's hundreds of these that you can have linked to your website that will start to show strength and value in what you have. When your content, backlinks, and citations come together, you start to grow, you start to outrank your competitors, and Google will start to see the value of your business. And what it will do is it'll land you on the first page. It'll move you here to get exposed quicker than not. Most people don't go past the first page of Google. So it's important to be here. I mean, you're missing out on a lot of potential revenue, a lot of potential eyesight clients. through the keywords and the content. With that being said, I hope that you can understand and kind of get some value from this and see the importance of a well-built website and the value that it can bring. If you find yourself wanting some more information, I would definitely love to work with you. We could find out what might be realistic for you and your business. And I hope this was helpful. I really appreciate the time that you spent with me today, and thank you and have a nice day.